So again, welcome to my channel and Life with Grisella. So today I will be unboxing this BoxyCharm. So I think this is just a BoxyCharm because I am subscribed to BoxyCharm Premium and then Deluxe. So we'll see. This is November, I think. So nice. Oh, this is premium, guys. So this is November and card is Thanksgiving. So guys, itong card na to, this is where yung mga prices. So this one, art history palette, is $50. So remember guys, this is only $25, I believe, itong box na to, but the amount is like, the total value is like $100 to $200. So this is so cute. Oh my god, see this color? So that is $125. 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadows in satin, matte, and metallic shimmer. Next is this one. Per 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders Face Palette. So this is $32. They're all so cute. See? Next is this one. Dose of Colors. This is $20 and it's an eyeshadow with multi-dimensional reflects. Yan guys. Next is this guy here. Oh, cuticle oil. So this one is $22. Natural healing cuticle oil made of pure almond oil and jojoba oil, I'm not, lavender oil to help strengthen your nails and keep them moisturized. So next is this one, Grown Alchemist. This is a night cream and it's the big $125. I really wanted to have this one. Ngayon matatry ko na siya. And last is this Cosmetics Cleansing Brush. One dual-sided silicone mask applicator. So this one is $25. So this is a cleansing brush. It's not makeup. So like facial brush. I wanna try this one. Oh, this one is silicone. I think this is for mask. Yeah, this is a silicone spatula for mask or cream or serum. This one is may ganyan siyang shape, oh. Para sa maghilamos ka, mag-wash ka ng face. That's it, guys. So that's it, guys, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa unboxing natin for today. And next is unboxing my Fabfit fan because kararating lang din niya yesterday. So thank you, guys, and see you.